y'all, so my facial is complete and I am in love with my skin. All right, I'll see y'all next clip. Ain't my skin cute? So hey y'all, listen, so we is on set location and this is what it's like at the photo shoots. I am literally changing my clothes outside. So yes, I'm putting on a jumpsuit. Next is my next thing I'm putting on. Of course I got my shaper and all that good stuff, but so y'all, this is the jumpsuit that I just changed into. Let me turn this way. Hopefully y'all can see that a little bit better. But this is the jumpsuit. I'm ready to shoot real cute and sexy, y'all. Outside photo shoots. Let me turn it back this way. Okay, bye y'all. That's my photographer. Ain't she fine, y'all? She walking that way. This is the end of the photo shoot. This is my photographer. So this is the end of the photo shoot. I know this thing is just like wobbling and moving, but we finished with the outside photo shoot. Bye y'all. What's up, cousins? Welcome back to the channel. Hey, welcome back. What? You're welcome once. Hey, you're welcome twice. What? You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So what's up, y'all? I hope you guys have enjoyed the vlog thus far. So honey, if you is new over here, my name is Shauna T and we do all things fashion and I share snippets of my entrepreneurship journey with you and try everything in between, okay? So y'all listen, I have had a full, I'm gonna say like this is a combination of about a week and a half of things I did. So yes, child, I do be changing my hair like that. For those of y'all who don't know, I do be changing my hair like that. So I did that was a photo shoot that I actually did for my brand, because I always get questions like how you take your pictures and how you do this and how you do this. I was like, let me just show y'all actually like what it looks like behind the scenes. So anytime that y'all see me and my pictures are outside, listen, I be in my influencer status, okay? I be like, no baby, we changing clothes outside in the car, literally. Now I do have a pop-up tent thing, but I really don't like using that pop-up tent thing because it be getting hot off in there and child, it be a whole lot going on. So it's best for me to just to go in and change my clothes in the car. Baby, listen, the sunlight just really changed real quick. It's just all right here. Okay, never mind, stay focused. Stay focused. But yeah, so I do have that. That's for any of my influencers or people who be like, I want to take my pictures outside. I do lifestyle photos. That's what you go through, baby. You be changing your clothes outside in the car. Exactly, yes you do. So of course, as y'all see, I had help with me when I do be doing my shoots and stuff like that outside. And also, do y'all be doing self-care? Cause I be doing self-care. So Desi, that is my boo. Desi always does. She does my waxes and also my facials as well. So baby, if y'all is in Dallas, Texas, the DFW area, make sure that y'all check out Desi. She is at Candy. Look how my phone is gonna start ringing in the midst of my video. She is at Candy Coated Skin. She's at the DeSoto location. So that's my girl. Her name is Desi. But yeah, I really be like loving my self-care days because that's just for me. And what I typically do is I you know, get my facials, get my wax. Sometimes it'll be my nails and my toes or whatever, but the majority of the time I'm gonna say maybe 50-50. Sometimes I include like my nails and toes. And then I'll just go do all things that I want to do, whether that is me going to go pick up me some clothes or something, or take myself out to eat, or go to Sephora and get my makeup and everything. Honey, listen, I am so big on self-care and mental health. Like, it's really important to me because child, I be over here stressing sometimes and I be needing that little moment to just like break away, clear my mind, settle. Sometimes I even just like go for a walk or whatever. and just kind of relax my mind, relax my body, and all the things like that. So if y'all not doing self-care, make sure, cousin, that you getting your self-care in. But y'all let me know in the comments, do y'all be doing self-care? And give me some tips or things, not tips, things that y'all be doing when y'all have y'all self-care days. Maybe y'all do something different that I don't do. So I want to know what y'all be doing. Okay, I want to know what y'all be doing. And child, we gonna just chat it up real quick. So I want to tell y'all, this is like for any of my cousins who is entrepreneurs, inspired entrepreneurs, right? I want to tell y'all that stuff be going on behind the scenes. Entrepreneurs should be getting ghetto, real ghetto at times. And I'm gonna tell y'all a story, and I'll put up the video and all the visuals and stuff like that. So one time, y'all, I was doing a campaign for my brand, which is Expressions, right? And I lost out on about $3,500. Indeed, I lost out on about like $3,500. And I'm just gonna tell y'all how I lost out on $3,500, child. So we had rented a somebody would say like an Airbnb or a place. When I say, you know, me and, you know, like my photographer and stuff like that, because it was a swimwear. It was swimwear and like other stuff. It was like spring, summertime, something that I was doing for the campaign, right? And so at the place, it had like this what do you want to call it? Like a deck thing. And y'all had to walk up on it or whatever, because the way the pool was set up, I had to walk up on it. I was, you know, supposed to stand up there and supposed to pose. Baby, who fell in the pool was me. I did. I fell straight in the pool. Hair gone, clothes gone, makeup, I mean, it's all gone. And so y'all, it was so funny. Like when I came up out of the pool, the first thing I was like, Tosh, that's my photographer. I was like, Tosh, is my lashes still on? And she was like, girl, what? She was like, girl, what? And so it was just a whole mess. So that whole shoot, y'all, was just, it just went down the drain. So because of course I had to pay Tosh for her time coming out, because that's my photographer. I rented the space, and then like I had got my hair done, you know, lashes, all this stuff. So all of it was just down the drain. And I had to go back. Of course, I did recover like a week. It may not even been a full week, maybe a couple of days or so later. Wind up going back and doing the shoot again. The campaign came out great. It came out great. But listen, entrepreneurs should be getting ghetto. And there are times that you do be taking losses in your business, okay? Even if you're an influencer, baby, you can't take losses. But yeah, child, I fell in the pool. It was funny. It's funny now. It was funny then after I did it, because I was still like in shock. And then like, I don't know why I decided that I wanted to go in and like flat iron a piece of my, I don't know what I was doing, child. Just really in shock or whatever. But then as I thought about it, I was like, dang. Because, you know, clothes, everything was with, child. But that's my little story on how I lost out on $3,500 in my business, child. It was just a mess. Because as y'all know what, I really want y'all to take the time to take care of yourselves. I honestly do. Do y'all hear them people outside? I want y'all to take the time to take care of yourself. Make sure that you're loving on yourself. Make sure that you're loving on your family. Y'all, it's so much that's going on in the world right now. Make sure that y'all loving on yourself. Love on your children, especially. I gotta leave and go get my baby in a couple, 2-3 seconds. I gotta take a good little old drive. Maybe I'll bring y'all along with me on a drive and show y'all. But I gotta take me a good little drive, honey, to go get my baby from school, because she coming home for the weekend. So maybe I'll put the camera in the car and take y'all along for the ride. take y'all along for the ride. But yeah, I really wanted to tell y'all to make sure that you're taking care of yourselves, and I appreciate you all for riding with me through my journey, welcoming me back to YouTube. Thank y'all for talking to me in the comments. Make sure if y'all have any questions, ask me whatever questions that you want to ask me in the comments below. Y'all already know how I do it. I'm definitely gonna come and talk back to you, answer your questions and all of the things. I know I had one of the cousins, I think I replied back to him. They was like, "You're not doing no more shopping videos?" I was like, "No, ain't no more shopping videos," because it was talking about couponing, y'all. So ain't no more of that. But y'all, that is the end of, let me put my phone down right here. That's actually the end of my little weekly vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope I have been able to add some type of value to your life since you have been, well, since not you, but me, since I have been back on YouTube. Thank y'all for shopping my links. Oh, I love y'all so much. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for shopping my links. Thank y'all so much for shopping my links. I truly appreciate it when y'all go and y'all shop my links. I thank y'all so very much. And y'all follow me on the other platforms. Follow me on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok. Where else am I? Am I on Pinterest? I think I'm on Pinterest too. No, I don't think I'm on Pinterest, but I am on Instagram, I'm on TikTok, and I'm also on Facebook at I am Shauna T. If y'all can, please follow me on all the platforms. Talk to me, child. Okay, cousin, so that is all that I got for this vlog, honey. All right, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.